protect your child's inheritance from their divorce. This is a common concern that our clients have, and that is that if their child inherits outright from the parent, what happens then if that child goes through a divorce? There are easy ways to protect your child's inheritance. With an outright inheritance, then the child owns that money outright, and it is subject at least to review by the court upon a divorce. They could end up losing half of it. If we want to get really technical, an inheritance is in Washington considered separate property, and it shouldn't be divided by the court, but nonetheless it is kind of charged to the child as being available to them, and so maybe they get less of the community property. But not to get too complicated, it is very common to put in a revocable living trust or a will, a trust for your child, meaning that on your death, the child doesn't get the inheritance outright into their own control. Instead, the inheritance goes into a trust for your child. Now, your child can be the trustee of their own trust and the beneficiary of their own trust, but because it's in a trust, then those assets are protected against division in a divorce settlement. To set up such a trust for your child, you can do it through your will. You can do it through your revocable living trust, if that's the platform that you're using for your estate planning. But it is a fairly common and fairly simple estate planning tool, and that is creating a trust for your child upon your death.